All right, I'm going to go over with you how to add what I've heard called a pixel fire stick. It's basically pixels in a straight line that can be vertical or horizontal, and we'll define both just for fun. So we'll configure, first of all, we're going to add a group for a vertical fire stick. And let's just say we have 50 pixels per. So we're going to pick here and use template numbered items. We're going to type fire stick 1, and this number here in the ellipses will increment every time. So we're going to put 50 pixels in it. And you define pixels here, not each RGB element. So there's not 150 elements here. There's 50, which defines 50 points of light in your display. So we're going to do that. You'll see Firestick 1-1 through 1-50. Now we're going to do the same thing for the horizontal Fire Stick. So we're going to left click on that and then right click, pick add multiple, pick numbered items. We'll call this horizontal Fire Stick 1. There's 50 elements or 50 lights in our string, in our pixel string. We'll press OK. So we've defined the vertical and the horizontal. Press OK. Now we're going to add it to our preview. So I'll click Configure Preview. I've already got a preview configured, so we'll use that one. I'll click on it and press Configure. And it's really simple. If to draw the vertical one, I'll pick on Vertical Fire Stick. I'll pick my line tool here, and I'll draw it. And everything in this Fire Stick, all the elements, everything is defined. And we can verify that by going in here. You'll see numbers 1 through 50 are defined. Now that's going to go from top to bottom. If you want it bottom to top, I'll just draw another one here. We can use the same elements over and over in our display. It doesn't matter. The preview doesn't care. I'll go from bottom to top. And I'll draw a horizontal one. So I'll pick horizontal. I'll pick the line, draw it from left to right. And press OK. So we're done with that. Press OK here to save it. Now I'll create a new time sequence so we can test out our fire sticks. So the vertical fire stick, let's define a chase. And horizontal fire stick, we'll put a chase in also. Now we'll play it here, watch it in the preview. You should see 3 elements. There you go. We can add different kinds of effects here. Let's see, we can add a pulse, which is basically a fade. So we're going to fade, let's see, we'll define here from red to blue. And I'll change the intensity, so it'll be bright red to bright blue. So it goes from red to blue. I'm just going to paste it here so I can easily edit it. I'll double click it. We're going to go from, let's say, green to yellow. Now if we play it over here, we'll see what happens. So our fire sticks faded from one to the other. But typically you'll probably use chases here. You know, go from bottom to top, top to bottom. So that is how you define a